Good morning, everybody. It's Michelle Alcorn here with my mom, Helen.
Morning.
From Atlantic Canada Cooks. And what an exciting morning. Welcome to 2025. And I have to say that oatmeal, and this oatmeal is made in Canada. And one of my favorite things about our show is how much research that I get to do to learn a lot more about where our food is sourced from, some of the best countries and places to buy it. And we import a lot of things here in Canada. But this one, just like my shirt, is made in Canada. So very proud. See our Made in Canada sticker here at the top. So I know, being someone that eats gluten-free, if I'm going over to a friend's house for dinner, they're always says, Michelle, what can you eat? So to everybody out there in the world, if you have gluten-free or you're just choosing to eat healthier, it is the new year, so lots of us want to get healthier, better nutrition, because, you know, for when it comes to fitness, it starts in the kitchen.
I want to sprinkle a little bit right over the
Yeah, I thought you were going to say that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the sugar and put just a thin layer right across the apples themselves. Is that good? Just a little
that's good.
A little extra sweet. I think a really good mixture. Yeah. We ready to put that on top?
Don't have any liquid.
Nope, because the apples are usually the liquid. Are you looking for a little liquid?
I've done this many times, can't remember what I'm supposed to put.
The apples themselves actually end up your liquid. Wow. There you go. A flourless chocolate cake, which is going to be amazing for us to have as a dessert. And do you know what I'm going to top that with?
Ice cream?
Ice cream would be a good one. Probably just a bit of whipped cream. But I'm going to Lunenburg later today. And maybe, Dion, today's the day we should try to make. I can bring you some apple crisp on my way this afternoon. Is that good?
That's good.
I think we should use just a couple more.
Okay, go for it.
That's only because I think I'm not quite nutty enough. Just use the edge of your knife. Watch your fingers when you're cutting. And we just want them to be in thin slices. Because, again, nobody wants to buy a really giant raw onion, because I find that sometimes it can actually overpower the food that you have.
I love fresh herbs too, so that's how I grow them. So we finished with our spread today. If you take a look at the computer, you can see our lovely hummus here with some garnishes. So we've got our fresh crackers that we've done in the oven. A little bit of extra hummus left for later on, and also some extra crackers as well.
This is where it gets like saucy. And I like to say food is meant to be sauced. This particular recipe, it's like a layered, I used to make it years ago, and it's great when you have a bunch of people coming over, and especially maybe if you have some kids that can be fussy eaters, but they love pizza. So remember, we've got our burger, our onions, our celery, that great oregano. I can smell already a little bit more. This is pizza sauce. Let's hold that soup up. You can see that the cheese is all crisped and it's perfect in there. Awesome. They're still bubbling. That's the best part. That's okay. We're going to move this right over. Strategically place everything.
Wow.
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 How's that?
Oh, looks so good and smells so good.
I'm going to hold these up so we can see. Look at the meatballs. They're still bubbling as well. I feel like I'm in Morocco opening a tagine and everything's still cooking. The compote as we wrap up today. So Esme, are you ready? Look at that.
Yes, I'm here.
Perfect.
So guys, this is ready now. So I'm building up the sandwich. First, we will add the tahini. What is surprising that Egyptians like to eat the shawarma on buns, on burger buns, not on tortilla roll or Arabic bread. Egyptians like to eat it on buns. So we will add the tahini first. The nice shawarma. Beef shawarma. The chicken shawarma we are adding tomato, some different dressing. Again, we will add tahini and enjoy.
Asme, give that a spin again.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Fancy.
We have to say, do you deliver?
Free to eat this.
I think we need to come visit.
Yes, please.
And we'll bring dessert. Now you can use a lot more of these. It depends on how many you want to do. But we've got potatoes around the edge, potatoes in the middle. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some pepperoni. And I'm just gonna make sure I push that pepperoni down inside. This is a beautiful beef pepperoni. This is actually halal. Thank you to the Rabia store here in Moncton, New Brunswick. Love shopping there. And they have this great new pepperoni that they brought in. And I have a lot of my Muslim friends that come over, and it's great to be able to get all those products. Ren was coming over. We said
Yeah.
earlier, Ren's from China.
Yeah.
So, Mom, I'm gonna get you to turn around and look at this. You can set that down. And let's tell us about the gift that you brought.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right, Ren, tell us what these are.
Yeah, this is Fuji apple. Yeah, it's represent to family get together, and Fuji's apple means make our family all the year safe.
oh.
Yeah.
Why, thank you, because what a beautiful gift to bring over. And look how wonderful
Yeah.
these are packaged.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing? So we are going to very much be enjoying,
Yeah.
and each one of them is perfectly packaged to make sure that they arrive here safe in Canada.
Yeah.
And we got these at Walmart, so thank
Yeah.
you, Walmart Canada, for bringing in
Wow.
these really thoughtful
Yeah.
ingredients. Want to be patient and make sure that you leave the cover on. It's kind of funny. We often would get impatient with that, wouldn't we, Mom? I want to peek at the dumplings.
No.
No, says you need that steam to take effect. But I am really excited because I'm going to introduce the first ingredient, and then Ren's going to tell us what she's going to do. But I'm going to hold it up. These are super cool. And where do you buy these?
In a Chinese grocery
Here in Moncton?
in Moncton.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I think it's important people know that you can get a lot of your ingredients that you miss from home
Mhm.
when you move here.
Yes.
So these are salted duck egg yolks. Super cool. I thought she was pulling like gummies or something out. So Ren's gonna be using these, and I'm gonna put them here, and she's gonna open the package and tell us what she's gonna do. Wow.
Yeah.
Oops. It's a lot.
Look at that. They're still a little hot,
Yeah.
but that looks
Mm-hmm.
perfectly wrapped.
Yeah.
There we go. A little less yolk on the other side. We'll get that right in the middle. They smell amazing. I'm not going to pop one in my mouth right now because they really are hot.
Yeah.
And I have made that mistake in my past. So thank you so much, Ren.
Thank you.
Are you excited for some snacks?
Yes, I can't wait.
All right, everybody. Have an amazing week, and we will see you back on the first Sunday in March to share some exciting recipes about March break and lots of fun things that'll be going on here in Atlantic Canada. Take care, everybody.
Have a good weekend.
Have a great weekend.
Rest of the week.
A
Everything.
great week.